Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is basically the part 2 of JSON Server. If you haven't watched part 1, I'll give a link above. You can watch that. And in the previous video, we saw what is JSON Server and how to install it and how to use JSON Server and also like how to host this data locally. And we also explored options like pagination and we added a config file and this is fine and until now we are hosting the data in our local host and the only problem with it is like in my case I was using this data in an Android application, in an expo application actually. So yeah, so the problem with it is when I was trying to access this local host data, I was not able to access it in the Android application because the local host was not running on the Android application. Since this is running on the my Windows machine, and the emulator or the physical device, whatever it is, that is separate, and this code is not running there, and the local host URL that in the Android application, it is trying to fetch it from the Android application itself, from the Android device itself. Sorry, and it was not able to find. So I thought of like hosting it somewhere. Uh, so before hosting it, let's see if this works in Postman. Yep, this should work, but let's just test it. So we'll create a new collection and a new request. Paste our URL. We'll send. Increase. Yeah. So basically, we are getting all the to dos. Let's say we want only one or two to dos. Let's say we want number one to do. We are getting that, and let's also create another request. There is a request. It will be a post request. Tools post, and in the body, let's go to select JSON, and here whatever this contains an ID, status, and title. So we'll just copy this, go into new request, add it here. Since we have 100 tools, I'll give the ID as 101 and to do as, instead of to do one, let's do eat breakfast, and the status will be pending. Okay, we'll send it, and the response is okay. Insert failed, duplicate ID. I think I already have 101, so let me do something like 105. Shouldn't have this. Yeah, now I have added the eat breakfast 105. That is done. Okay, and also like let's go and fetch all again and see if that is reflecting here. Come back. Yeah, we can see like 105 is added here, and also let's add another request. Copy this, paste it here, and this time we'll do put request in the body, same raw and JSON. Just select this, or not 5 itself, or just select the first one. We'll modify the first one. Don't need comma here. I don't think so. Yeah, we have to do it like this. Instead of pending, let's give it completed. Let's send. Okay, you can see the status is 200. Okay, so we should be getting the value should be updated. Here currently you can see it is pending. Let's resend refetch the request. Now it is completed. Yeah, and one final request, that will be delete request. Delete. Here we just have to give the id and send it. That should work. Okay, we got the response as empty object and the status is 200. Okay, if we go and fetch it, currently we have id 1 and title to do 1 completed. This should not be there. We'll refetch it. You can see like it started from 2. Okay, this is working. So this is working in localhost as of now. And in my case, I have a problem with the localhost, so I wanted to host it online. So I came across with this website called ngrok. I found this website called ngrok, and we can install it via Chaco. And Chaco is another software that has to be already installed on your Windows system. So if you haven't installed Chaco, you have to install Chaco first, and then you can install the ngrok via Chaco, or else you can just download the zip file and install it. Once you install it, you just have to log in through the ngrok website, and they'll provide you an auth token. You have to use this command and provide your auth token here, and run this command in your terminal. That will add the auth token into your account, and after that we can try this. I'll show you how. It's just wait. Yeah. So currently, our APIs are running on localhost 5000. If I refresh this, you can see like it's running on localhost 5000, and we want it to be running on some remote server, right? So I already have installed ngrok. So it's just ngrok, or is it? Let me just quickly see ngrok http and port number. Yeah. So it's ngrok http. Our port number is 5000 in my case. If we hit it, let me just drag it up. Yeah. So it forwarded our web traffic to this URL. So we can pretty much go into this URL, open it, and visit site. We can see our to-dos are hosted here, and there are one or two to-dos. If you open it, yeah, we can see here, and also we can access this. Let's just copy this and test it in Postman. And we'll send it. You can see we are getting the to-dos. I'll test it with other things. Now we'll add, since we don't have ID number 1, we'll add ID number 1 now. Instead of eat breakfast, let's do walk dog. Pending, completed. We'll send this. Yeah, walk dog is added. We can go and fetch it again. Is it added? Lost. Yeah, we can see the ID number 1, and walk dog is added. We can also update the to-dos. So ID number 1, before I had walk dog. Let's just do it as to do 1 and complete it. I'll send this request. So this is updated. We can go again and fetch it. It should be updated. We'll go here, and you can see like this is updated. And also finally we can delete the request. If we go here and refetch it, and come lost, it is deleted. And also if we try to find it by 1, we are getting an empty array. In other case, let's fetch 3. We are getting the id 3 to do. And another thing is we can also do pagination here. Let's go here and check the pagination options. So pagination, we have to do something like this, and also limit. We'll go into Postman, get request, tools, and paginate. So we are asking for page 7 and limit 20. Let's send it and see. Since the limit is 20, it is not giving us anything, because for every page we only have 10 limit according to the docs. So if we fetch the first 10, this should come. Yeah, you can see. I don't, so 16, yeah. Okay, and we can also fetch different pages and different limit. In page 4 I want only one. Yeah, you can see like this is updated here. And that is about the ngrok, how we can use it. And one other thing is, here instead of running this long command, which is this JSON Server watch db, we can create a package.json. And package.json, here we can run the scripts. Basically, we'll name the script as start, and when we are running the start script, it should run this. So I'll save it and I'll kill the server. And if I do npm run, and you're supposed to be in this folder, the backend folder where the package.json file is there. So I am here, and if I run npm run start, which is the name of the script that I have given, if I hit enter, it will automatically run the JSON server command for us, and that will start the localhost there. That's it. That's about the JSON server. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like and share and subscribe. More content will be coming like this. Thank you.